Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making this origami bowl. You can spin it like that, and you can also hold stuff in it. And let's get started. For this project, you will need 1 square 6-inch piece of origami. Let's get started.
First, you're going to fold it in half, like this. And then you're going to open it up and fold it this way. Increase. And after like this, you're going to flip it over. Push right here, down. Fold this here. You're only going to crease this triangle right here. So then you're going to fold it up here, like this. You're going to fold this down. Crease this corner right here. Fold this over here and crease like that. And now you're just going to take one flap. I'm taking this flap. Open it up. Stick your finger in. And pinch. Like right here. Crease. Fold it over. And then just like this, you're just going to fold it over like that. Where it was. Same with the other one here. Fold. Crease. So flip it over. Do the same thing. Now you've got this. Make sure you have a white side right here and right here. And you got these flaps here on the sides. You're going to take this here. You're going to fold it up to that crease like this. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other one. Fold here and fold over this way and fold like this. And you're just going to open this pocket here and fold that in. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Fold here, fold here. Fold here, fold here. Fold here. Like that. Fold like this. And then you're just going to fold these out like this. And you're going to open these flaps up. Like this. And you're going to do the same thing. Fold here. Fold here. But instead of this side, you're going to fold this to the other side. Crease. The same with the other side. Fold here. Open this pocket up. Stick it in. Now you've got this. You have this little hole here. You're gonna fold this. You're just gonna stick your finger in, and then these flaps are just gonna pop out like this. Pop out. Do the flat sides first with nothing on it. Don't do this side. Flat side. Don't do this side. Flat side. Flat side. And you can do these sides. Just gonna push it out slowly. But if one of these flaps pops out, you're gonna fold this here back and you're just gonna stick it in there. Keep going. Pulling, pushing, fixing, creasing. keep going, and you could just carve it to what you want. You could carve it as a star or a square or just like a circle. Just carve it until you think it's good. Like I would say about here, and you're done.
Like, share, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.